Understanding accidental replacement cars, what you need to know. Accidents happen, and when they do, the aftermath can be overwhelming, especially when it involves your vehicle. Navigating the complexities of insurance claims, rental cars and replacements can feel daunting. This article aims to clarify what an accidental replacement car is, the processes involved and the options available to you if you find yourself in such a situation. What is an accidental replacement car? An accidental replacement car refers to a vehicle that you obtain temporarily or permanently as a result of an accident where your original car has been deemed a total loss. This situation typically arises when the cost of repairs exceeds the vehicle's actual cash value. In essence, if your car is involved in an accident and the insurance company decides it is more economical to replace the vehicle rather than repair it, you will need to pursue an accidental replacement. The process of getting a replacement car. 1. Immediate steps after an accident. The first step after an accident is to ensure the safety of all involved parties and to document the incident thoroughly. This includes calling the police, filing a report and taking photos of the accident scene. Once the immediate concerns are addressed, you should contact your insurance company to report the incident. When you file a claim, your insurance company will evaluate the damage to your vehicle. This evaluation often involves the following steps. First, there's the assessment of damage. An insurance adjuster will inspect the vehicle to determine the extent of the damage and whether it exceeds the threshold for a total loss. Then there's determining the actual cash value or ACV. The insurance company will calculate your car's actual cash value before the accident. This is crucial because it directly impacts the amount you may receive for a replacement vehicle. A car is classified as a total loss when the repair costs surpass a certain percentage of its actual cash value, or ACV. This percentage can vary by state and is often referred to as the total loss formula, or TLF. If your vehicle is deemed a total loss, the insurance company will typically pay you the ACV minus your deductible. Once you receive the payment from your insurance company, you can begin the process of purchasing a replacement vehicle. Here are some options to consider. You could buy a new car. If the payout from your insurance is sufficient, you could choose to buy a new vehicle that meets your needs. Or you might consider buying a used car. Depending on your financial situation and preferences, purchasing a used car can be a more economical choice. And finally, if you need transportation immediately, many insurance policies cover rental car expenses while you search for a replacement vehicle. Sometimes the initial offer from the insurance company may not meet your expectations. It's essential to gather data on your vehicle's market value and be prepared to negotiate if you believe the payout is insufficient. Resources like Kelly Blue Book or Edmunds can provide valuable insights into your car's worth. Now let's talk about the factors influencing your replacement options. Som besättning och attentionsrätt som min tjej så schattåweisen dadwa skaides sau sense insurance coverage. Your insurance policy will significantly influence what options are available to you after a total loss. If you have comprehensive or collision coverage, you're more likely to receive a favourable payout. Understanding the specifics of your policy, including any clauses related to replacement vehicles, will empower you to make informed decisions. Där skiljer så denna fått också Tannas state regulations. Different states have varying regulations regarding how total loss claims are handled. Knowing your state's laws can help you navigate this process more effectively. For example, some states may have a higher threshold for what constitutes a total loss, impacting your insurance, payout and replacement options. Common misconceptions about total loss. Claims 1. I can keep my totaled car. Many people believe they can keep their totaled vehicle and still receive a payout. However, when an insurance company declares a car a total loss, they typically take possession of it. Some companies may allow you to keep the car, but this could result in a reduction in your payout too. I'll get the same amount I paid for the car. The payout is based on the current market value of the vehicle, not the purchase price. Depreciation significantly affects this value, so it's important to have realistic expectations. 3. All insurance companies handle total loss the same way. This is not true. Each insurance company has its own policies and procedures, so experiences can vary widely. Dari Samsham conclusion. Navigating the aftermath of a car accident can be complex, particularly when seeking an accidental replacement car. Understanding the insurance process, knowing your rights and being aware of the options available to you are crucial steps in ensuring a smooth transition to getting back on the road. Whether you opt for a new or used car or decide to rent temporarily, being informed will empower you to make the best decisions for your situation. Remember to gather as much information as possible and don't hesitate to negotiate with your insurance provider. Accidents can be unfortunate, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can turn a challenging situation into an opportunity for a fresh start.